Hi, welcome to my channel, Zev Goods. Today I'm going to make a t-shirt printing for my black or dark shirt. I bought this from Giordano and it is a L size t-shirt. So we are going to use the heat transfer paper, which is for dark garments. This is the transfer paper I bought locally here, and these are for the light color shirts, and these are for the dark fabric transfer paper for black or dark textiles. Actually, this one we can use ironing, but for this method I'm going to use the heat press that I have bought online. So this is my heat press machine, and it is 12 inches wide and 9 inches by length. So it is only a small heat press that I bought. I bought this one for about 230 Sing dollars. And we have this Teflon sheet which protects your garment and from the heat press. We can put our shirt here with the design, and then we can put it over and then press it for its required temperature and required pressing time. And I am going to use my HP Inkjet Office Jet Pro printer. So the cartridges for this printer is basically a pigment ink. So usually we use this pigment ink for t-shirt printing and for the heat transfer papers. So let's get started. First, I will open my Silhouette Studio. This is the 4.2 version. And then I will open my design, which is Michael Jordan logo. This is his gesture when he made the 3-point shot match between the Portland Blazers. As you can see this clip, this is the famous gesture he showed to Robinson. That's what my design come from. So there you have it. All I have to do is print it out using my HP printer. We'll just set this aside so that it will not be included for our printing. We'll just flip this over because we don't need to flip our design. And so we will load our paper into the printer. This is the back side of the paper, and this is the front one, which is the design will be printed out on this side. When loading the paper, we need to face the paper down like this so that our design will be printed over here. So I load my paper now and it is ready for printing. So basically the printer will do a maintenance first before it will do any printing. So I still have extra space right over here, so I'm just gonna use it. I don't want to waste my paper. will print it out. Print and press print. So there's our design. We'll just let it dry for a couple of minutes, for about 1 to 3 minutes before we cut it out, because usually the color will wear off if you touch it. And now we will preheat our heat press machine. So this is basically a converter, because this machine will only use about 110 volt, but the outlet here in Singapore is about 220 volt. So you need to have this converter before using this machine. So we turn on the machine and we will set the time. Basically the temperature we need is 356 degree Fahrenheit. It's about 180 degrees Celsius. And then we set our time about 20 seconds. Okay. Now we'll just wait for the temperature to rise until the required we just put in, which is the 356 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I have to fold my shirt into half, so I would know the center of my shirt. Polyethylene sheet first as a protection, and we will just press it for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there it is. We know our center will be right over there. And then we will just put it back on the pressing machine. So I will just measure my logo on top right over here. So I will just measure about 4 fingers, about right over here. By the way, my machine is a swing away. Other press is just a normal clamp design. My one is a swing. So my design will be about right over here, so I will just place it a little bit higher. So that's it. Just clean the surface for any dirt. And here's my design. I'll just fold my design so that I will know where my center is. I'll just press on top, and I'll just press at the bottom too, like this. Okay, so now we know our center will be right over here, and that the bottom part will be right over there. So we just line it up on the folded part of our shirt. there is your center now. So we'll just put our polyethylene sheet. And we will just press this one for 20 seconds. Okay, here we go. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. We'll just sing this one away and peel out our polyethylene transfer sheet, and we'll just dry this out for a couple of minutes. What I'm going to do is stretch it a little bit more, so that your shirt will be prepared for any stretching and it will not tear. So called, we preconditioned our shirt by doing a stretch. Okay, so there we have it, our MJ design. Then we will dry this one before washing our shirt for about 24 hours and let it dry first before using it. There you have it, our custom shirt. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in my next videos. Ciao!